Afternoon, fellow forex traders. As you can see, I'm operating the Belly System 2021 updated version, which gives accurate signals with a 99% success rate. Without further ado, let's get into it, guys. So as you can see, it has been set up here. What we have here, for example, is a buy signal. It has given us a buy signal, and the buy went into our direction, and here is our exit point. Whatever happens on the 15-minute, guys, must happen on the 1 hour. It gave a buy signal on the 15-minute, and it gave a buy signal on the 1 hour. So this was confirmation that the buy signal is 99% accurate and we are going upwards. This was an upwards movement. As you can see there, it took place approximately on the 13th of October at 8:30 here, and then you make a confirmation as well as on the 1 hour time frame. So if I zoom in further, guys, you can see that this signal, it formed, and then this was our entry point. So this is an entry point, guys. You do not take the signal if you don't see this entry point. On the 1 hour, this was our entry point, guys. But you can see that the market turned at approximately this point here, guys. This point here, let me mark it for you. 14,610 at that price. And then on the 1 hour, it was 14,610 as well. So you can see that this system, guys, is very accurate, guys. It's very, very accurate, guys. It gave us a buy signal. We went all the way into profits. We're running deep in blues all the way till the levels of 15,123 on the 15-minute, and on the 1 hour we are currently ranging, guys. We are currently ranging, as you can see, 150.90 on the 1 hour. And if the 15-minute time frame indicates a sell, guys, I repeat, if the 15-minute time frame indicates a sell, guys, you leave. We're trading Nasdaq here, guys. On the 15-minute, if it indicates a sell, you leave. If it shows the entry point for the sell, you leave immediately. But on the 1 hour, it has not indicated. So which means 1 hour traders, you are free to hold the trade until you are satisfied, or if it signals a sell movement. But as you can currently see on the 1 hour, there is a correction happening. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's this white block here. There's a white block that comes and goes. Here's it right here, guys. Let's zoom in. Okay, let's zoom in. That white block, guys. This signals that a correction is happening, so we might be heading for a sell very soon. Thank you, guys. This is how the Belly Forex System 2021 updated version works. Thank you for your time.